Express apps will crash if an error is not caught in an asynchronous function. Here, sending a curl to -crash will cause the application to crash. So after we've sent this request, our application shut down. However, we can use Docker to act as a backup if Express apps crash due to its restart policies. The following Docker file right here Dockerizes our Express app right here. If I build this image from this Docker file with this command docker node build, now we can spin up a container from this image with the restart policy set to always. So here we create a container called node.c from our image we just made, and we set the restart policy to always. And now that our container is up and running, if we run docker stats against this container, we can see it's up and running by if we do curl localhost, we get back hello world. Now let's crash it at our crash route. We can see it crash in the terminal here, but our container is still up because it just restarted. So if we send a curl to 3000, we still get back hello world. We crash it again, it'll just restart, and we can go from there. Of course, you should have some sort of detection system set up so that if these errors happen, you can ensure that they don't happen again. But this is always just a nice safety net to have. If you like videos like this, check out my courses linked in the description. Also, check out my Chrome extension called WittCode. But besides that, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I hope to see you next one. Take care.